Good evening. The girls are playing outside. I'm about to make some fried chicken to go with our dinner just because I don't want to cook it later.
Slide. Open.
What is it?
Slide. Open it, please.
It's going to be so messy.
Please, pretty puppy.
I think we need scissors.
Mom, we need chair.
You dropped the sparkles.
Sparkle's my favorite. Where's my sparkle? I didn't drop it. Give me my bracelet. Yep.
What bracelet?
My purple.
Purple?
Yes. Give it, please.
Where is it?
Behind the trampoline.
All right, I'll go look for it. If you're here with me, supporting my channel, thank you. I appreciate you. And you know I'm going to be using my favorite flour. Where'd you put it, baby?
Come.
Wait a minute, please.
Then I will let you hold.
All right, open the slime.
Take this off of me.
Where'd you get this ring from?
From Uncle.
Oh, it's special.
So slimy. I never saw slime before. Can you open these up? Look. Mommy, now. Can you help us open the other things, please?
All right, I'll open it.
I want to open this.
Not all of it. Save some for her. You gotta take it out.
Layla, can I look at this? Hey!
Layla, won't you help Sissy take hers out, Layla, and be nice?
But she didn't help me.
No, help Big Sissy. She's little. Mommy don't want to touch.
Oh, sticky.
Layla, don't use it all, okay?
Ah!
Pick it up.
I need some Layla. Catch her, please. This is so much fun.
I already seasoned the chicken with other seasonings, but I'm just going to add a little bit more. I'm using the garden vegetable, the Cormick seasoning. Zayla Jade, are you going back out?
Yeah.
You're going to have your snack outside?
Yeah.
Why are your pants so far up?
Don't know.
What? Layla, are you done eating?
No. Mommy, I want to do it outside.
That one is broke, remember?
Mommy, see, do it.
Remember mommy put water? It leaked out. No more water.
Oh.
Some pizza chips. Here's a...
Chip. Is it pizza?
Yes.
I don't want pizza.
You don't want pizza? What?
I don't want pizza.
What do you want?
Salad. That is like this. The green.
All right, I'll get the green in a second. I have her sour cream chips and a little bit of fruit they can share. Layla asked for cheese for a snack. It's her favorite.
What happened?
Let's read this one first. Peekaboo Hootie.
Oh, for Ryan.
I'm making sure I read and spend time talking with my girls.
I get 2 chance. Why? We already do this.
Calm down, mama. Let me finish up cooking this chicken. I made a salad to go with dinner. I like cashews in my salad. And it has Caesar dressing. Look how it came out. And I always wind up tasting the first piece of chicken. It's good as long as it's not salty. Hey, put those socks on. Zayla and Zayla. All right. Can you guys come clean up the Play-Doh? 1, 2, 3. Come clean. I'm just trying to stay on top of keeping my house clean and making sure I get things up.
Trying to cut paper. There's moisture to it, not dry off.
Hey you guys, I also wanted to add a little bit of me at the end of this vlog just to talk with you guys and share with you a little bit about my channel, just so you get to know me a little more and I can share with you how some of my vlogs came about. I want my viewers to know exactly where it's coming from. You're ever watching one of my vlogs and you don't understand some of the music or why it turned out the way it did, I just feel like I have to explain for myself. I just want to tell you and let you know, just in case you were wondering, in some of my videos the lyrics are a little crazy because I'm channeling all the hurt feelings that I ever felt. Never really meant for it to happen, but I never really looked at it from the viewer's point of view. I just maybe thought, oh, this is a good vlog, I put my feelings in it, that's what I want to say because I never got to say it, you know, kind of feel. You know that all comes from a place of some of the things that I've been through, and I'm just channeling all of that energy. But I don't want to give my energy away anymore. I want my energy to be more positive and make more positive vlogs. Yeah, I never really expected to share this. I just wanted to speak on it because I felt compelled to. I just thought I would just make another cute little vlog. I just want to bring my vibration up and vibe higher and have more positive music in my vlogs, because that would be great. Because I'm not in that place anymore. I'm moving forward in life. Whatever doesn't serve me to reach my highest good, I let it go. I call back all my energy. I want to be more mindful of others. And all I know, God has protected me, like Daniel in the lion's den. And he has vindicated my name.